Welcome on in, everybody, to the Faithful Studio. I am Tyson, and today I'm going to struggle with my English. I am going to try to pronounce things that I'm going to blow up and get wrong, but I'm going to bring to you a different perspective from a company that I've tried before, haven't been able to really review, got their website launched, and starting to come around as maybe one of the hottest companies to end out 2020. And we're talking Bay Area Beer Company and the Modium Collection. Again, I am Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. I'm super excited that you joined me today. We have a lot of good things going on over here at Faithfully Bearded. But first, I want to talk about this collection. You got Bay Area Beer Company. Company owner name is Matt. His website is biblicalbeard.com. And he really likes to get creative, and I absolutely love that. I love the creativity. You're going to see amazing bottles like this. You're going to see packaging. You're going to see wax seals and a whole bunch of other stuff. Now, with that being said, those things only go so far, correct? They only go so far. You want to purchase something that not only looks good, is presented well, and is creative, but you want it to work well. So let's talk about how this works. And first and foremost, you want to talk about a carrier blend. You're talking about sweet almond oil, golden jojoba oil. I still take that from David. Thanks, David. Moroccan argan oil, Jamaican black castor oil, avocado oil. So when I look at that recipe, I'm kind of thinking like, okay, this would be pretty good for all you gray beard guys out there. But I tend to like it for my beard as well. I think it's really fantastic of a feeling beard. I would rate that right up there on the upper end of the medium to medium thicker type oil. I don't think it's on the thick end. I think it's more medium to just a little bit above that. But the feel in beard is really fantastic. Lasts me most of the day. Now, the scent profiles, they change from scent to scent on how long they last, but let's talk about that a little bit. Let's talk about the scent profiles, and specifically this Modium collection. Is it Modium? I'm saying Modium. If that's wrong, hey, hit the thumbs up button, you know? If it's right, hit the thumbs down twice. I don't know. Just make sure that when it's the thumbs up button, it's odd numbers. When it's the thumbs down button, it's even numbers. I don't know. I heard it helps the algorithm or something like that, and so that's just how I'm rolling. I heard it on the internet. If you hear it on the internet, it has to be true, right? So the first scent that we're going to talk about here is... See, this is the confusing part for me. I don't know which one exactly which. I don't know which one's exactly which, because I see a wax seal, but they're all kind of... Oh, man. I don't know which one's which based on the information I got in the package. All right, so here we go. We got this bronze wax seal ones, and this is the Charo set. And with that, you get cinnamon signature donut. Toasted oatmeal and honey. So, cinnamon donut, toasted oatmeal and honey. This, to me, is almost like a vanilla, sugar, cinnamon type scent. I think it's really good. I like it. As far as strength in the beard, it's not overpowering, doesn't give me a headache or anything like that. It's just a real smooth... I mean, you could say Cinnamon Toast Crunch type scent, but I think it has a little bit more vanilla in it when I smell it. It's just not quite as on that cinnamon side. So if you like cinnamon, but not a strong cinnamon, I think that honey and the oatmeal comes out really nice to kind of die down that cinnamon. And then we have Succoth. Is it Succoth? Succoth. I think it's either Succoth or Succoth. I'm not 100% sure what it is. But we got lemon pound cake. Lemon pound cake. Lavender and glazed donut. So when I smell that, I definitely get a lemony. It's not a super sweet lemon like a lemon drop. It's not like that. It's more of like a lemon Oh, it reminds me of something. I guess it's just got to be lemon pound cake. It reminds me of like lemon, like a pastry type scent. I'd say that's got to be pretty close to lemon pound cake, just not on the super sweet end of the lemon pound cake. So, I mean, I guess you got to go with that, right? And then you have Shavat, however you say that one. This is extremely fruity, sweet, really sweet and fruity. This one, the scent profile kind of wears off pretty quick, but it's kind of strong. But you got guava, passion fruit, cheesecake fig, honey, pear cider. And the guava and passion fruit are definitely the top notes. In fact, like smelling it out of the bottle, you don't really get any of the mid or bottom notes. It's more that passion fruit and guava. It's a really nice smell. I would say it's something that if you like fruit scents, citrus scents, maybe you're going to like it, but it's more of an extreme sweet fruit scent. And I really liked it in my beard. Over time, that really sweeten it, pungent right off the beginning kind of started to die out, and more of the other scent profiles came out, which I really enjoyed. So to me, that was really nice. And then you have Teru. And these are all named after stuff in the Bible if you didn't put two and two together yet. It's biblicalbeard.com. He does a lot of biblical themes, and I like that. I seem to enjoy that. I think it's pretty good on my for me personally. I think it's nice having a theme. So you're talking Tuscan tobacco, sunflower, cactus blossom, and wood smoke. Now, you know I hate that wood smoke. You know, like, wood smoke, not me. No smoke. And I don't really smell that in this one, so it's not overpowering or anything like that. I get definitely... I'm not 100% sure what sunflowers smell like. I've never really walked up to a sunflower and smelt it, or smelled it, or smelled or smelt. I've never done that to it, so I don't necessarily know. I do kind of know what cactus blossom smells like just from like Bath and Body Works. One of those where you buy lotions and stuff, and you get drugged there by the lady friends, and you smell it. So I do like that one. I don't really get a ton of the tobacco up front. I would say I'm not 100% sure what the sunflowers smell like, but to me that and the cactus kind of take over. Unless I don't know what it smells like, so maybe it's not taking over, but. I don't feel like it's a super tobacco-y scent that's taking over the top. I feel like maybe it's the cactus and the sunflower mixed together that's taking over the top notes. And then you have this guy right here, and the one I have has a Chiefs emblem on it. I think it might get changed to David's logo. I'm not 100% sure on that. But this is a collaboration between David, that beer guy, Kansas City, and Matt over there at Bay Area. Something where they've been tight since day one. They've been working together, and it was time to kind of repay that favor and symbolize their bond together. All right. So you're talking green tobacco, black tea, birchwood, oud, and bergamot. I like all of these. I mean, other than maybe like green tobacco, I don't necessarily know what green tobacco smells like off the top of my head, but to me, this is like a really nice scent. I do get the I don't want to say green apple, but you know how there's that little sourness of green apple between red apple and green apple? I feel like maybe that's what the green tobacco has in it, because to me, I get a little bit of that right up front. I don't get a whole ton of birchwood oud or anything like that. It's really soft layer in there, but you can tell it's there. And then the bergamot, which some of that might be coming from the bergamot, that limey kind of pungent little thing that could be coming from the bergamot. So, I mean, to me, it's just a really good scent. That's what I have in today. It's lasted me for a little while now. I don't feel it fading. Man, my hair. Like, I just threw it up. I mean, come on. We can be real, right? We can be real. We can be us. So I just threw that up. Now, as far as recommendations, the thing is, I don't really see, like, on the labels anywhere on here. And it might be because it's the collection. I just got the Modium collection. And I believe it's $70 for all of these scents, the amazing packaging, the collectibles that come with it. You have a chance to win a golden ticket to get a free shirt, and it's free shipping. So, I mean, how do you really beat that? These bottles are amazing looking. I one of the best presentations in the game. I don't really know what to say about that. There's nice little verses on each bottle, on the boxes. There's special tape. There's special everything. I just, by picking these up, I don't necessarily know what they are, and I don't know if that goes across this whole line or if it's just special edition. I like scent profiles and names on the bottle, so I can always tell, and I don't have to go searching down a different way to figure them out down the line. But hey, that's what it is. So that's this collection. I would definitely, for $70 and free shipping, I think it would be an awesome gift for a bearded man, but I also think it would be something if you've never tried them. If you've never tried Bay Area, you have to try Bay Area. And maybe $70 is a lot to jump on for a collection, but you're talking 5 oils. You're talking 5 oils, so it's $15 a piece. Still below market average. I think we're above $15 now. Let's be real. So I think it's still below market average. Plus, you get the amazing craftsmanship that gets put in all the way around. So I'd recommend it. I'm going to link the website down below because he has a website now. I'm going to jump up with him and proofread his website because I see a couple little things on there. And the only reason I'm saying that is I really like to give feedback to things that I notice when I'm doing a review. So I really like to be able to give areas of opportunity and suggestions if I'm going to say something. So there it is. I would recommend this to you. I'll link it down below. Until I talk to you guys again soon, we have the Beardies coming up. I am Tyson. Be you, be bearded, and God bless.